Oh, hey. I know why you're here. Let's go. You are speed. Okay guys, let's kick this off at 50%. Okay, not bad. It's fun. Okay, not bad so far. 50% is fun. Let's kick it up a notch. 75%. Oh, uh-oh. Might be a break. Okay, that was fun. 100%. We're gonna get some pinion spinning here for sure. Man, I wish I had a GPS on this thing. It's two-wheel drive, so it's really hard to keep straight actually. Guys, that was insane. So I've already fixed the shock tower with a piece of cut Lexan. That's the nice thing about these little rigs, is easy to fix when something snaps. So that is probably just as strong as it was, or maybe even stronger than new. The two shocks that broke were this side and the back, and I've already glued and fixed those as well. And I know you're thinking, glued? What do you mean glued? Well, that's the thing. They're so easy to break anyways that glue is just as good. Glued or brand new, they snap at the slightest little touch anywhere anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Glue does the trick and makes it ready for the next run. I'm so happy with how fast this goes. It's got slippage right now in the pinion. I guess we're going to have to do another video. Share if you enjoyed this with someone who might also appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the bell. You will be notified when I release the next video with a pinion that actually doesn't spin on the shaft. As always, keep on RCing, keep on keeping on. Ciao for now.